لا. Do you hear my sneeze?
Yeah. Oh,
I should say Alhamdulillah. And do you know what you should say?
Alhamdulillah.
If you are sneezing, but now I am sneezing, you should say I should say Alhamdulillah because I have sneezed. You should say for me Yarhamukillah.
This thing won't move
No,
from
stop doing that, please. Don't do that again, please. Mia?
Okay, but this thing won't move. This. Can you see it?
Okay, 1 second, my dear. I just want to tell you something. I have sneezed and I said Alhamdulillah. And you should say Yarhamukillah. Say it. Yarhamukillah.
Yarhamdulillah.
Good job. Again,
Yarhamdulillah.
again. Or you can say Yarhamukumullah. Say Yarhamukumullah.
Yarhamakulillah.
Do you know what the meaning of Yarhamukumullah?
Uh,
Like, may mercy upon you. May Allah give you mercy upon you.
what did it say?
Like, may Allah give you mercy. Or upon you mercy, يعني. May Allah put upon you mercy.
Yarhamakulillah.
What did you say?
Yarhamakulillah.
Yarhamuk. Yarhamukumullah.
Yarhamakulillah.
Yarhamukum.
Yarhamakulillah.
طيب, very good. I don't mind.